Maintaining the 3DGD-1800. Changing the nozzle tips. To change the nozzle tips on the 3DGD-1800, you will need a replacement tip, the supplied 27mm open wrench, and protection for the glass substrate. Always use gloves and eye protection when working with the printer. Place some padding underneath the print head. Loosen the 4 spring-loaded screws on the UV bracket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver if necessary. Disconnect the UV electrical cable. Remove the UV ring by pulling on the spring-loaded pins. Apply inward pressure with both hands when removing the UV ring. Disconnect the air tube from the nozzle. Use the 27mm wrench to remove the nozzle. Screw in a new nozzle and lightly tighten it with the wrench. Reconnect the air tube. Reposition the air tube if necessary. Pull on both pins and reconnect the UV ring. Tighten the screws and reconnect the UV electrical cable. Greasing the dispenser. You will need the supplied grease gun, recommended grease, and paper towels. Daily greasing of the print head is vital to their longevity. Remove the residue cup and check for excessive grease buildup. Clean with a paper towel. Place a paper towel under the residue cap. Attach the grease gun to the nipple and tighten. Pump the grease gun 3 to 4 times. Replace the residue cup. Initial purging. Place a paper towel under the print head. From the touch screen of the printer, select Motion, Motion extended left or right, in accordance to the head you will be purging. Select E0 to control the material output. Set velocity between 10 and 100 and press jog out. After a few minutes, material should begin to flow from the head. Purging is complete. Select Stop Axis to complete. Daily cleaning. Select Motion, I/O digital outputs from the printer menu. Turn on the air cleaning by selecting one cleaning station. Apply alcohol to a paper towel. Clean the hardened gel from around the print head. Wipe the UV glass and the camera lens. Material calibration. You will need a digital scale and a disposable cup. Place the scale and cup under the print head and zero the scale. First, lock the doors and select Material Adjust from the calibration menu. Check that the cup is positioned under the head and select Material Out. Wait for the material to finish dispensing from the print head. Record the amount of material dispensed on the actual weight box. Select Update to apply.